Hey everyone, welcome to another video. You can see, look at this stuff. Hope you're doing alright, having a good time with your shaves and getting some new products like I have been. So as you can see by the top of the video, this lather enough right here, I mean this feels so smooth, slick. It feels like a tallow soap, which it isn't. This one from PAA. This one is Lo Haiku, I believe it is. And this one is a homage sent to High Karate. And I'll say it does smell quite similar to what I remember anyway, to High Karate. So if you like the old school aftershaves, really masculine, woody kind of smells, you're gonna like it. I mean, look at that. Using my PAA Amber Aerolite, 24mm, and I've got a splash and all that. Look at this stuff flying everywhere. Really nice. So again, I hope you're doing alright, having some good shaves. If you saw my video, I unboxed four PAA soaps with matching splashes, and this is one of them. This is the first time I've used the CK6 formula. I don't normally go for the CK6 formula, which is just drip drying right here. Right there. Because I didn't really think it'd be a lot of different now. Both formulas, the original and the CK6, are good. Both are good. This one feels more like it's sort of pretending to be sort of more like a tallow soap in its feel. It definitely feels a lot slicker, like a tallow. Once you get it really wet, it feels like silk. That's what this feels like. Original one still feels like that, but not quite as much as. So these are a bit of a difference. Excuse me, but yeah, I like both. But normally if a scent from PAA is in the original formula, I'll just go with that one. But this one does not, or didn't when I looked for it. So I bought the CK6, is what it is. So using my double open comb, the Super No Grip, and this one has a Gillette Super Thin Platinum blade in there, and it'll be its second juice. So without further to do, let's go with my first pass. Alright, so mixing this up took a lot of water. Really liked its water. Nice, I'd say 5 out of 10 in the scent strength, maybe 6. So you do smell it. It's not weak in any shape or form. And of course, slick as you like. Brilliant. So yeah, as soon as I seen this, and this was actually, I do believe, getting discontinued now, or at least for the season. I saw on their website that scents and soaps disappearing at the end of January, and this was one of them. So that's what I basically picked up. There was 4 scents in there, 4 of their soaps that was disappearing, at least for the season, if not being discontinued completely. So there's other scents I want, but since these were disappearing within a week or two, I thought I'll pick these ones up. So again, that's what I went for. Any of you PAA fanboys? I'm a fanboy. And I don't care who knows it, because it's what I enjoy. Like I said in the unboxing or sort of haul video, I like artwork. if you know PAA, they do good artwork. Predominantly sort of monsters and what I call B movies, or we call B movies, a B as in a letter B. B movies, and the artwork of those sort of B movies, and that's what the PAA do a lot of, and I enjoy that. So that's one reason. Another reason, love their brushes. Brushes really well made. I enjoy the brushes they come out with. They tend to be a rehash or remake of old discontinued brushes, for the most part. And then of course their scents, which again, not all of them, but a lot of them are rehashes of discontinued scents, or scents out there that don't have shaving soaps. So overall, that's why I like PAA. Plus their soaps work, and the aftershaves are quite strong. If you get the regular formula, it's actually cheaper to buy a puck of theirs, of their regular formula, than it is some of our artisans here in the UK, which charge like £20 a tub. I can get a normal formula of some of their PAAs for like £14. Yeah, a bit of shipping comes close to it, but I get PAA stuff for a few pounds less than most artisans here in the UK. Even after shipping. So with that, slick. I can. There's still soap after 2 quick passes there of water. Still floral smell, floral taste. It's still there. I could still go over that a couple of times with the razor. Brilliant. So, another up for my second and final pass. So yeah, this is an afternoon shave. Gonna work all day, come back. This was sitting there. I was like, fueling the addiction. Not really addiction, just something, something that we enjoy, and that's it. You never know when your last moment is, so enjoy it. So, on that, on the bollocks, I'll come back and do my final pass. Okay, final pass. I love open comb razors. Not only do they look cool, I think they shave better. At least for me and my beard anyway. I mean, I shave pretty much every day. Maybe one day a week I'll take a break and give my skin a rest. And most of the time I shave every day. Since work I can put out quite a few videos a week if I wanted to. Which I do. Well, I'm able to at least. But you don't see videos on the day that I have a shave. I record and then the day after or a few days after I'll put the videos out. So I'm sort of in front of myself in case anything happens. I'm always ahead of my videos. So if something happens and I can't record something for 2, 3, 4 days, I've still got the same amount of content every week on the channel. So. But today is Tuesday. I'll put this up probably Saturday, and my unboxing was today as well, and that will be up on Friday. Just so there's spaces videos out, I've already recorded and uploaded videos for today that I'm actually recording it on the Tuesday. One's already gone up, and there's one on Thursday which I've already recorded, and this one I'm recording for Saturday. That's, like I said, lets me get ahead of myself. Well, what I say, the soap is getting a bit stronger of a scent in here. I'd say a solid 6 at least out of 10, strength wise. The one I'll get from PAA is either the Metaphor razor or the double open comb. Don't quite know yet. May get both eventually, but I'll only get one at a time. So, well, already tell you that is going to be a super shave. So, taking everything that's left at the brush. Look at that. Creamy. Oh, the scent's really coming through now. Now it's sat there a while. So I'm going to rub this in, have a face wash, and then I'll come back for the post shave. Excellent. Nice face feel. Not overly hydrated, but hydrated. So slick soap doesn't overhydrate, which can be a problem with some very slick soaps. Whew. Nothing there whatsoever. Great shave. So this is the bit I'm waiting for. Right. This, the stoppers on these are really good. You really got to shake them out, which is good because you don't lose any of the scent just because they're drying from over tipping. So get a little puddle of this going. Oh, that'll do. Right. I do like my aftershaves, I'll admit. Not much of a sting actually. A little bit on my neck. What most people get. Oh, that's lovely. It's refreshing to begin with. It's got a nice sort of citrusy. Oh, there's a bit of a sting now coming in. But the menthol in this, maybe. I do like PAA because they like menthol. And they use menthol in a lot of their stuff. It feels like there's menthol. But oh, it's like a fresh, woody, masculine scent, but still very fresh. Let's see if there's menthol in here. So alcohol, French lavender, oak moss, essential oils, fragrance oils, glycerin, aloe vera, and salt tree resin. So there isn't any menthol, although it feels, and maybe, although that's dying off now, so it's not as cold as it was. There's a menthol-like note in this, but definitely not menthol. Yeah, no, that's gone. It's not cold anymore. So, but oh, what a scent! So that, ladies and gents, is my first experience with not only CK6 but with that particular scent, and it was brilliant. Absolutely loved it. So my Slock self-lubricating open comb with the super null grip. Great razor, always enjoyed that one. And we had a second use of a Gillette super thin platinum blade. Leathered up with my PAA Aerolite, Amber Aerolite, get my words out. Great brush, 24mm. Lo Haiku. I don't know, sure how you say that. Soap, brilliant, smells nice, not too overpowering in the scent, but enough that you can still smell it, of course, and pretty easily. Real nice scent, and then finished off with the matching aftershave splash. So that's it, ladies and gents. That is my shower today. Hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. I found me somewhat entertaining, or at least useful in some shape or other. Probably not. So if you like the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. It would really help me out. And I'll see you again soon on the next one.